Do you love doing pigeon pose because of the way it makes your hips feel, but you can't do it anymore because you really can't bear weight on your hands? I'm going to show you 3 variations that you can do without using your hands. The first one will be on a chair. The second one will be on a mat. And the third one will be using our friend, the wall. In the first variation, you sit very tall on a flat surface, such as a bench or a firm chair. And then you take one of your legs, put the ankle over the opposite knee, and sit very tall. And as you sit tall, inhale, and then hinge forward from the hip until you begin to feel some length in that side hip. Then, when you found a comfortable position, relax your arms in some comfortable place and stay there and breathe. You can hold this pose for about 60 seconds, 30 seconds. Usually a good gauge is about 12 breaths. And then when you're finished, just cross your legs the other way, sit very tall, hinge forward without rounding your spine or craning your neck, and relax. Lying on your back with your feet standing and your knees bent, cross one of your legs over the opposite knee, and then draw the thigh to your chest. Now you'll see most people reaching through this loop and holding the thigh to their chest, and that's fine if you can do it. But if it bothers your hands, all you have to do is let the hands go and rest somewhere, and then take this knee and press it toward your chest. It gives you the same effect without straining your hands. So you just find a comfortable place for your arms, relax and breathe. Again, for 12 breaths is good. For our final variation, we'll be using the wall. So get right close to it, and then we'll put our feet up, and I'll show you the rest when we're down there. In the final variation, scoot right up next to a wall, cross your ankle over your knee, open out the hip, and then use the wall to press the hip open. You can find any comfortable position for your arms, and then just stay there and relax. When you're ready to come out of this pose, draw your knees close to your chest and roll to your side, and then come up to sitting. So those are 3 variations on pigeon pose that you can do. And if you have a yoga pose that you have questions about, just drop a comment in the box below.